Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this beautiful fall makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my foundation, and I am using the Morphe foundation in F2.20. And I'm just going to apply this all over my skin. Just, applying a little extra layer on my cheeks because that's where I like my extra coverage to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. And I do take my time doing this. I don't know, I feel like I find it relaxing when I do my foundation, but I did fast forward this because the video was way too long. So yeah, so you guys see me do this in all my videos. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the foundation and blend this out with a beauty sponge just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go ahead with my concealer. I am using the Morphe concealer, and I have no idea what number this is, but I'll list it down below for you guys. I'm just using this to brighten under the eyes. I don't use this for, to cover up circles or anything, but I believe if you do go to the Morphe store, they can help you with finding the right color for concealing and all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this into my skin. As you guys can see, I am using the same beauty sponge just to help everything blend out nicely. So then from there, I'm using the Beauty Bakery, I believe. This is their setting powder. I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. I do like to start off first where I applied my concealer just so that it doesn't crease or anything. And then I just go back with a brush and I just apply everything and blend in all the places. So yeah, and I'm using a Morphe blending brush, so yeah. Excuse me. So then I'm gonna go with my Staycation bronzer from Morphe, and you can use prettygrace or some money off if you guys are interested in purchasing any Morphe products in stores or online. So I'm just applying this wherever I want. Usually it's just the cheekbones, jawline, forehead, all that good stuff. And I do like to apply a lot, like I said, because then I go back and blend everything else so it looks nice. So just don't worry if it's too much right now. I'm just going to go back and blend everything out. Then for blush, I'm using the Marc Jacobs blush, and I'm just using a Jaclyn Hill brush and just applying this and then blending it out with another Morphe brush. Then I'm just going back and contouring my nose because I want to have a snatched nose. So I'm just doing it with the same bronzer, and then I'm applying a little bit of that bakery, whatever. I don't even know what it's called. Oh my god. So then I'm using my GEEK Cosmetics highlighting blush palette, and oh my god, this highlighter was like, wow. So definitely get your hands on one. I do have a discount code with BH. They are having a 60% off sale right now. So definitely go ahead and check them out. And you can use prettygrace for additional money off. And yeah, I just like to shower myself with just highlighter. It's just so pretty. Then I'm going to use my Daisy Marques palette from the BH Cosmetics. And I'm just applying a little bit of setting powder under the eyes just to catch any fallout. I'm going to be using this color right here, and it's going to go right onto my crease. I decided to go with a different palette because I know I'm kind of using the same palette over and over, but I like to show you guys how many looks you can create with a palette. So you don't have to go out and buy all these palettes, because with one palette you can create so many looks. So I'm using this orangey shade and apply this right into the outer corner and inner corner of the eyes. And I'm just doing this sandwich look, and I'm using the Morphe brushes as well. So definitely check them out. So I'm just blending this in, and I'm making sure that everything is as pigmented as I want it. Then I'm going with this burgundy shade just to deepen it up a little bit more, and applying it in the inner and outer corner of the eyes. And then I'm just going back with the first brush that I used just to blend everything out. Then I'm going back and retouching. Then I'm going with the Maybelline highlighter. This is the number 100, and I'm just applying this on my brow bone. Going back to apply the same color a little bit. Then I decided to go with the Artist Couture highlighters and apply this right into the center of the lid. Then I'm using my Araceli Cosmetics black eyeliner. I'm just going to do like a quick wing. I don't know, you guys know a wing liner isn't my strongest, so I really try not to do it, but lately I've been wanting to do it, so I'm gonna try to practice a little bit more. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that same burgundy shade in the inner corner and outer corner of the bottom lash line. Then the same use a brush that I used in the beginning to blend everything out. Then I'm going back with the same Artist Couture highlighters and just apply that color. Then I'm using the Bold Makeup lashes. This one is an Into You. I do have a discount code with them as well. It's prettygrace for some money off. These lashes are my favorite, so definitely check them out. I've been wearing these lashes for a while and I really like them. Then I'm using the GEEK Cosmetics new mascara. Just applying this to the bottom and top lashes, just to bring everything together, as you guys can see. So then I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this in the tear duct area with my finger. Then I'm going with the Morphe lipstick, and I'll list the name in the bottom bar for you guys, and just going to apply this to my lips. They have so many pretty colors. I do have a video on all the swatches of these lipsticks, so definitely check them out. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. I love you guys so much, and thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.